magamit po kami ng whole yellow corn as a raw materials po. And then, i-grind po siya until become fine. And then, they add it here po sa cooker for the adding water and etc. So, ang evaporation ng food is tinatawag po namin angel share. And then, this food po is also made of American oat, barrel, or oats.
Dito lang siya.
Yes.
Online?
May online
Very
website.
exclusive
Ay,
po
sorry.
yan.
Sorry, sige.
Chocolate brandy from Davao. Meron din po tayong, syempre, mga Pilipino po tayo. Meron po tayong calamansi and then galandan.
Sarap ang kalaman.
Just din, so, yung mga product po since 1852 up until the present po.